friends, this is Patience. Welcome to my channel. Well, today I want to do a very simple video, as simple as styling this natural hair, maintaining it in its natural state. I'm going to use just three things: my moisturizer, lifter, and then my fingers. Well, the moisturizer is basically to make your hair manageable, soft, so that you can easily style. A lifter, yes, and then my fingers, like I said, our fingers have power to style fussy, kinky type of hairstyles, curly type of hairstyles so much. We can't avoid them, so we shouldn't neglect our fingers. They can do quite a lot that a comb can't do, or any other tool may not do. So that is basically what I'm going to use, three tools. Well, wash and goes take quite some time, so you just want to, wash and goes, you have to do those curls and everything after the washing. So for kinky type of hair, especially, actually not kinky type of hair, what I mean to say is the faux type of hair, especially fussy type of hair, it's going to take quite some time to get those curls, which we may not have that time, we may not have the guts sometimes, we may not have the strength sometimes. We just want something simple, and neither do we want to cover our hair with a cape or a cloth or what else do we use, a wig. We just want to go natural. Sometimes I just want to go natural, I just want some breathe in my hair. So maintaining it in its natural state. So what's the simplest way that we can have our hair neat, tamed, without necessarily covering it, and then we can comfortably get into our normal routine, get out and be presentable. So that is basically the purpose of this video. Well, before I get ahead, I want to just briefly tell you the state that my hair is in right now. Well, my hair is not wet. I've not spritzed it with water, and neither am I going to do that, so I'm not going to apply any water in my hair. But it's not dry either, because I've been doing this kind of thing that I'm going to show you of late for a number of days, and so it's not so dry. I've been applying my cream, my moisturizer. I did it yesterday morning, so it's not so bad, and I just put just a little bit. So I thought I would share with you how I go about that. Well, let's go into the styling. So anything that I've forgotten to say right now, I'll definitely say it in the course as I'm doing my style. So after combing the tips, it now becomes easy to get inside and comb the whole of it. So it's time to use my fingers.